Today we published an action plan for insurance reform, which is a new government approach to change. This new plan outlines 66 actions being worked on by 5 government departments to reduce the cost of insurance for all consumers and policyholders. Each action is one step that will deliver for you and wider society. Every home in Ireland is affected by insurance, either through motor insurance, house insurance, as is every single business. My role is to encourage competition and also seek out a clear analysis and transparent analysis of all costs associated with insurance. This will help us reduce the cost of premiums for members of the public and for businesses. Over the past couple of years, legal costs, fraud and big profits by insurance companies have hurt Irish consumers. Next week, I will chair the first meeting of the new government office to promote competition in the insurance sector, which affects all our lives.